because we only have one family, and that's the HOC family.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is district. Okay, this is district. I know may mga naka-close na kayo dito mga tao. But then again, I suggest nang i-close nyo yung district nyo. Okay, kasi yung district nyo might be
District 1 representative. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go, Pabi. District. District 1, District 2, District 3, District 4. Let's go.
Okay, everyone,
Creative tayo dito.
ang kailangan nyo lang gawin for this day, unang-una sa lahat, come up with a district name. Okay?
Ano daw?
What?
District name.
District name.
Okay, bahala kung ano gusto nyo yung district nyo. Okay? Second, yung mga binigay ko sa inyo na yan, you have to create your own flag.
Mm.
Okay ka na nga ba eh. Nagawa tayo ng vlog eh.
Yung district nyo that would represent you.
Yeah.
Okay? Third and last na kailangan nyo gawin, you have to come up with a district chant.
Chant. Ah, okay. District chant.
For the support tayo dyan.
Let's go.
And yung